Hello world, today I am going to show you how to create login screen using constraint layout. First, you need to click start a new Android Studio project. Select empty activity. Give your application name to login screen constraint layout. Keep Kotlin as the language and then click finish. Now wait until the project is ready. Okay, now open your styles XML. Change from dark action bar to no action bar. Open your activity main XML. Switch to split view. Okay. First, we need to change the background color to purple background. Then remove this text view. We create new text view. Wrap content, ID, TV, app, name. Top, margin top, text, login, text color, Android, white, text size 34 sp, text style bold, start off, parent, end to end of, parent. This is to make center horizontal. Top to top of, parent, close the tag. Next, edit text, width, wrap content, height, wrap content, ID, ET, username. Margin top, margin start, margin end, hint, username, text color, hint, Android, secondary text, dark, text color, Android, white, start to start off, parent, end to end of, parent, top to bottom of, TV, app name, bottom to top of, we left it for a while. Next is another edit text with we need to change to 0 dp. 0 dp, height is wrap content, ID set to et_password. Margin top, margin start, margin end, hint, password, input type, text password. This is to hide your password. Text color, hint, Android, secondary text dark, text color, Android, white, start off parent, end to end of parent, top to bottom of ID, et, username, close tag. Next is button, wrap content, ID, btn, underscore, login, margin start, margin end, margin bottom, background, make it red. Text, login, start to start of parent, end to end of parent, bottom to top of ID, button, wrap content, my bad, you need to change to edit text, wrap content, ID, TV, register, margin bottom, text, click here to register, text, color, Android white, text size, 15 sp, start to start of parent, end to end of parent, bottom to bottom of parent. Okay. Oh, my bad, we need to change it to text view. My bad. The button width make to 0 dp. Okay. Now let's test it. Click on the run icon. Okay, now we need to wait until the project is built. Okay, now we have successfully created a login screen using constraint layout. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and like. Bye.